What the heck? Why are they going in a circle like that? Just land, bro.
Yeah, they are.
The airport's that way. No, he can't land.
Why is it taking circles?
It's the same. It's the same, see? There's a red dot.
Closer. I think they lost radio control.
Yeah? Who made that fence? Oh, so small, look. No, I have it. Oh, look. Oh, it's so small. Look at this one. So cute, Bobby, look. Oh, you're small. Put your hand out, Bobby. I was like, what's that chirping? Put some food in your hand, huh? Maybe. Oh, look, it's so close to you guys.
Isn't it scared?
No, he doesn't know that you are. Oh, ooh. Hey, Tyler, see these seeds? Put it in your hand.
He has it everywhere.
Hey, come here. It's okay. It's okay, come. It's okay. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it was so close to me.
Me too.
Holy.
Where is it?
I don't know.
How's it not scared? The ones at our house are like gonna run for away.
Oh, there. Look. He's back.
Oh,
Oh, whoa.
oh my God.
Whoa, look at that.
Different one. Oh, he's coming.
Oh, okay. Why is he chirping so? Put it in your hand. Oh, look, they're talking over there. Put it in your hand, yeah.
That one.
Yeah, that one's weird looking. What, Tyler?
It ran out.
Why you scream? Don't scream. What's wrong with you? Okay, keep going.
It went on my hand.
Okay, shh. Don't scream this time.
It went on my hand. It went on my literal
Oh, here.
It went on my literal hand. It went on my literal hand.
I'm gonna get it on video.
Oh, yeah.
Don't scream. I was like, what's wrong with you? Okay, here. Chip. Okay, shh. Stay still. Don't move, okay? Oh, it did again. Don't move. He's gonna come. Stay still, Tyler. Hand up. Yeah.
Come.
It will. Make sure you stay
Scary
still.
though, ah.
Come on. It's eyeing you.
Oh,
It's attacking.
oh, there too.
Yeah, it's attacking each other. Okay, it's gonna come. So, I can't. Tyler's
That's scary.
Shh. These birds are friendly.
It touched my
Yo,
hand.
you scream so loud, dude. Hey, stay still, you. I want to do one too.
Want more?
Yeah. I want you to be the one. Hey, come.
I'm
Don't be
scared.
scared. They're not gonna eat your finger.
That's what I'm
They're
scared
gonna
of.
eat the fruit. They're gonna eat the fruit. Oh, I mean the beans or
Scared
whatever.
they're gonna poop on me.
The seed. Hey, come. Zola. Stay still. Walk closer, slowly. Tippy toe, go in. Good. Don't scream. Oh, look.
Oh my God.
Oh, look. Tyler. Tyler, you look like Caillou, man. But go sit at the bench there. Go. It's seeing you.
Can't believe it. Oh my God.
I know.
Cute baby.
It's two baby feeding each other. Is he on? He's right next to you.
Oh.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Stay still. Woo! Oh, that's so cute. That's a hawk or eagle, yeah.
Oh, so many.
Wow, it's really chirping. He's here. Come look. There.
Is he facing towards us?
He's facing down. He's hunting, Tyler. Look at this flower. Dangerous. What? Bees? What?
There's a lot of holes on the ground.
Uh-oh.
And wherever I step, there's bees coming out of the ground.
Let me see.
See, look, there's holes everywhere. And the bugs just come out of that.
What bug?
See? See, like they're just bees.
Oh, I see it right here. Tyler.
What is that?
Bee. What is he doing? You're right.
No, it's a flying ant. No, it's called flying ant.
Look, it's burrowing into the ground. Look.
We're so close to it.
Don't get stung. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh wow. Oh. Ow. What is in your hand? Oh, okay.
Can I go on?
Yep.
Well, look how much years that was.
Yeah, count it.
I'm not gonna count that. I thought it was 5.